G'day again, Chris in the kitchen. Show me how, chef. I'm just doing the brown roux now, which the last time we did the blonde roux. So we actually did that in one of the other videos, which is quite dark. You can see little specks of brown through it from the flour cooking in the bottom of the pan. I'm using a bit of chicken stock today. Any of these, you can use any stock you want. You can homemade stock. I use these ones. No MSG, and they're salt reduced. No GMO. Also, you can use veggie stock in this if you're vegan or vegetarian. See this here? It's actually already starting to, it's like a nut brown right now. Just put some onions, so one small onion or half a small onion, some garlic. I want this to brown a little bit because it is a brown sauce. And I've got a bit of 2019 Cab Sav, which is from South Australia. See that there? It's actually just brown enough for that there. So you'd have a steak in this one, or ribs, or anything that you like in a bigger pan, and then you take that steak out, that meat out, and then you would render down those nice juices from the steak or any kind of meat that you've got in there, okay? So again, I just got the red wine in there. You see how nice and purple, maroon colour that is, really nice. And then I've got some beef stock here. These are your typical, gravies, so if you want to call it. They call it a jus, which just means, a reduced sauce from your pan juices. And they're accompany meat dishes on top, around, underneath. You can sit the steak on the top if you like, or you can serve it in a jug on the side, on the table, okay? I'll turn this up because I want this to go for it. You see, that's quite a bit of liquid there. I mean, that's not much. I'm only just making a bit there, but that there is the brown roux. Probably for that, I'm probably using half a teaspoon. Well, it's a flat tablespoon, but it's probably a good heat teaspoon, okay? So as again, you might want to put some chili in that. You might want to put some mushrooms in that. You can saw that with your if you want a mushroom sauce, this is a mushroom sauce. You can just fry off your mushrooms with it, your garlic, and you can season. I haven't seasoned this, but as you can see, I'm just going to add that bit of brown roux to it. And this is easy. See, look, that's just one sauce. I mean, you could probably make 10 sauces there. Just keep that in your fridge. It'll keep there forever, for probably a good week. Or one thing that I actually do sometimes is I actually use the ice. Oh, let's go here. As you can see, beautiful. It's already thickened that up again. Turn it off. Show you this here again. As you can see, like, look, it's a nice red sauce there, right, that you can actually play with that to your heart's content. If you don't need as much red wine. I mean, you can season that with so much. And what I do, you can actually get basic ice cubes like that. If you didn't want to waste this, and it only lasts like a week or over a week in the fridge in a sealed container, you can put that roux, you can put a little ice cube in each of those. And then freeze it in, and then whenever you want one, you just pull one out, bang, straight into your sauce, whatever you're making your soup. You pull out 4 if you've got a litre or a litre and a half of soup, okay? So you can actually freeze them in. So that's our nice brown roux mixed into our red wine sauce there. They're the basis of all your sauces like I just showed you. You can use any kind of nice flavoured liquid. If you want a brandy sauce, you put brandy instead of red wine. If you wanted a Galliano, or I'm talking alcohol here, but if you wanted any other flavoured fresh juices that you got, you can put a bit in there. Like if you're doing a nice chicken, you could put a bit of like apricot nectar into that with the onions and everything and reduce that right down, and that's an apricot nectar, apricot sauce for your chicken. So shoot me an email if you need to ask any questions, and I'm would love to help you.